Today's video is a collaboration video with Zwanzer. They sent me these mica powder, so let's see what I'm making with them. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. Today I am using these molds by Molds and Shape. It's my first time using these molds and I'm super excited. I really love their molds. They are really amazing and of best quality. So let's start. What I'm doing here is, first of all, I keep them really safe in my cling film, and when I want to use them, I remove them, and then after use I pack them again. So it's necessary to keep your molds long life. So what I'm doing here is I have mixed some low viscosity resin and I am just pouring it into the mold simply. So this is the Zwanzer brand that I have shown you before into the introduction of the video. They have sent me kindly these mica powders to try, and I actually saw them before and are really amazing. I have seen each color. So the one that I wanted to use is this rose gold that catched my eye. There are other amazing colors as I can see, and I'm thinking so much to create with them. So later on you will be seeing me different videos I will be doing with this mica. So this is the one that catched my eye and I really wanted to try the rose gold color. As you know, making flower is my, you can say, favorite thing to do with any new thing that I get, any mica pigment or... So what I'm doing here is I am just simply using a heat gun to remove all the bubbles, and I will be mixing two colors here. So I am dividing the rest of the resin into two containers. And now really carefully I will be using this rose gold color. So they come like sealed like this. I will be removing the plastic on the top. And this much I will be using in my resin. I think I have around 15 ml of resin in my container, both of them, 15 in each. As you can see, it's a really pretty color. And I will be using the white pigment paste by Just Resin. So the key here is that using less pigment paste and you will be using less mica, because the technique I will be doing with the flower, I really need very less pigments. Otherwise it's going to drop down and we will be getting the blobs that we really don't want. All this time I was really failing in making flower, and this was such a little tip that happened to came across just by mind, that I need to use less pigment in my white. So let's start. I have mixed both of my colors, and in the center I have added copper foil. I will link all the items in my description. So I haven't weighed at all. It's just the things that you see me mixing and that's it. So by the time you have seen me mixing the resin and mixing the color, I think it has been 15 minutes now. So this is the time that I have been trying to just make these foils inserting in the resin so they don't float here and there. And I'm mixing my rose gold pigment here. It's really a beautiful rose gold color. I hope it comes as beautiful as it looks. So with my dotting tool, I will be using the white. Try to take something that don't damage your mold. It's round at the bottom. So now I will be making the freehand petals. Though I really wanted to make it in the piping bag, but again, I just went with my free style. If you rush the process, you know what will happen and you will get a blobby flower. So, being an artist, I have learned that patience is a key in any field. If you're making a jewelry, if you're making resin, anything related to art, it takes patience. And that's what I have learned from doing this art over the years. So, it's a good thing. So, what I'm doing here is I am now overlapping. First, I'm doing the white and then I'm using the rose gold. So, I will be going in alternating. And again, so many times you have made the flower with the same style, but it never came out in, they are never exactly the same. They are always different. So I will be speeding up this petal making process. So as you can see what I'm doing here, it's just the white before and then overlapping with the rose gold. So I will be putting a little music on this. So see you later. So I'm done here. See you tomorrow. This is the next day and I can see the flower has bloomed. So let's see how it turned out. We'll be demolding both of them and then we will see the results. That holographic effect on the flower are amazing already, and this is only the back side, so let's see how they turned out. It's always fingers crossed. And this is how the flower turns out. And I'm so loving that this holographic effect is so beautiful. And I'm really happy with the flower as well. It's such a delicate flower and this rose gold is amazing. All in all, I am loving these coasters. They have such a wispy, light, delicate effect to them. So what I'm doing here is I am using this liquid gold and I will be highlighting the edges this time, as I think it will be going, it will go amazing with the rose gold. So just what I will be doing here is just with the tip of this silicone tool, I will be covering the sides. It's been very long. I have done edges of any coasters. Mostly I use the gilding glue, but this time I thought, why not add the rose gold, the copper, metallic copper to the edges. So this is what I will be doing to all around the coaster, and I will be applying 2 coats. Once this coat is dried, I will be doing another coat so that the color will come beautiful. So I have seen that I am out of screen. Sorry about that. Here I'm back again. So this is the final step here, and let's see how they turned out. So this is how they turned out, and that holographic effect. And again, this flower alone is really pretty with this rose gold mica that I have used. In person, I can tell you, but it's really hard to capture sometimes the beauty into the camera, as we are not professional photographers. So we can only catch what we can. That layers of petal is really amazing, and I haven't done any backing to to these coasters, although I love to do them black, but this time I just left them like that because I really like the delicate look of this flower. So I didn't want it to, you can say, uh, darken it. So that's it for this time. And I hope you like these. And if you did, please do let me know in comments. And also please do like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up if you like the video. Also, I will be putting the link of this mica powder in my description. Plus, there will be some discounts as well. So if you like to purchase it, you can go to the link and treat
And
yourself.
thank you so much for your amazing
So I
support.
can say that
Always,
these
I get so
mica
many
powders are
amazing
really
comments.
amazing. Trust me, I really love reading each of your comment and try to get back to you as soon as possible. So again, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.